Welcome to Wisconsin Homestyle Kitchen with Alice in Dairyland. Hello everyone. Today I will be making another pork dish. This one is pork chops and rice in the crock pot. So it's perfect for anyone on the go who doesn't have a lot of time to meal prep. Just stick it in the crock pot, let it go all day, and then it's ready to go when you get home. So this calls for 4 pork chops and I already have them in my crock pot. I'm using a crock pot liner and bag to make it easy cleanup after the meal's all ready. This recipe is pretty simple. I've got my 4 pork chops in here, and now I'm going to add in my cream of mushroom soup. Next I'll add 2 cups of chicken broth. One cup of water. Now I added some spices, so we've got garlic powder, dried onion, next the recipe says to add a cubed stick of butter, and then I'll turn the crock pot on low for 7 hours. Alright, my pork chops have been cooking for about 7 hours. Now I'm going to shred it up with 2 forks and then add in my rice. Alright, I've added my rice. Now I'm going to put the top on for another 45 minutes until the rice is cooked.